Hey advisors, hello analysts, welcome to Fintech, where money meets systems. Over 8 episodes within this series, we're going to break down how money moves from personal budgeting to enterprise infrastructure. Today, we start simple, from piggy banks to platforms. What is Fintech? Fintech, also known as financial technology, is the use of software and systems to improve, automate, or redesign financial services. It's not new. ATMs were fintech, online banking was fintech, but modern fintech is different. Today, financial services run on APIs, automation, and distributed systems. When you tap Pay Now inside an app, that transaction travels through processors, banks, fraud engines, and settlement systems, all in seconds. Companies like PayPal, Stripe, Block, and Robinhood don't just move money, they build infrastructure on top of financial rails.
Now that we understand that fintech is where money meets systems, let's look at where many of you have already experienced it. Most viewers are familiar with PayPal. On the surface, it's simple. Send money, receive money, pay online. But when we move from personal use to PayPal business, we see the system layer. Merchant processing, invoicing, checkout integrations, fraud protection. That's infrastructure. Now, let's look at Stripe. Stripe is less consumer facing. It's developer first. APIs, payment gateways, subscription billing, global currency support. Stripe turns financial services into programmable building blocks. Next is Block Inc. Under Block, you'll find Square, powering point-of-sale systems for businesses. And then there's Cash App, peer-to-peer payments and digital banking features. And then we have Afterpay, installment financing integrated directly into checkout. Different audiences, same principle. Systems managing money flow. And finally, Robinhood. Investing, trading, portfolio management, all abstracted into a mobile interface. Behind every clean interface is compliance, clearing, custody, and risk management. That's fintech. It's not just apps, it's architecture. Now that you've seen the tools, the interfaces, and the systems behind them, the baton is yours. Let's build from the fundamentals, because this is where money meets systems.
Fintech is layered. User interface, application logic, payment processing, banking rails, settlement. At its core, fintech is about trust. Trust in systems, trust in automation, trust that when you click, it clears. So here's the foundation. Fintech is where finance meets software architecture. And over the next episodes, we're going to unpack that architecture piece by piece. I'm Raheem Kareem, and this is Fintech, where money meets systems.